Hello, today I'm in Audi A3. In this video I'll show you how to activate cruise control. In the beginning, take a look behind left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. Pull it to activate cruise control. Push it upward to start it. Push it upwards again to increase the speed, downwards to decrease it, slightly push it forward to cancel, backwards to resume, and press set button to start. To disable cruise control, push this lever forward. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.